This is AI Scope, your front row seat to the AI revolution. Every week we explore powerful AI tools, uncover hidden features, and see if they truly deliver. If you want smarter tools and smarter decisions, you're in the right. Creating videos usually means being on camera, recording your voice, and spending time editing everything together. But what if you could create a full video with a realistic presenter without ever recording yourself? That's exactly what Synthesia is built for. When I tested it, the process was surprisingly simple. You write a script, choose an AI avatar, select a voice, and the platform generates a full video with a presenter speaking your content. And the result is actually quite realistic, especially for professional or informational videos. This kind of tool is particularly useful for things like tutorials, training content, or business presentations. You don't need a camera, you don't need a studio, and you don't need to spend time editing footage. Everything is generated automatically. What stood out to me is how scalable this is. You can create multiple videos in different languages with different avatars very quickly. That's something that would normally take a lot of time and resources. Of course, it's not perfect. The avatars, while realistic, still don't fully match human expressions, and sometimes the delivery can feel slightly artificial. But for many use cases, especially professional content, it's more than good enough. Another interesting point is how this changes content creation. Instead of focusing on production, you focus on the script. The quality of your content becomes more about what you say rather than how you record it. And that's a big shift, especially for people who don't want to be on camera but still want to create video content. It removes a major barrier and makes video creation more accessible. So overall, Synthesia is one of the most practical AI tools for video creation in specific use cases. It's not meant for everything, but where it fits, it works very well. And as the technology improves, the realism will only get better. If you want to try it and see how it works, check the link in the description.